In today's world, many insurance companies took advantage of the gap in most insured party knowledge and reap a large amount of money off them. Many vehicle owners don't like to hear this, but it's true. But how can you change that narrative and still get quality insurance that meets your needs? Is there a way to find and choose insurer that the premium you pay will be worth every time? The good news is there is. It requires a bit of work talk, but in the end, you'll be glad you put in the effort. Hello there, my name is Stella. I am Fincrew brand ambassador and a spokesperson for this Insurance360 video series by Fincrew. I'll be guiding you through all you need to know and avoid when choosing the best auto insurance provider for your coverage. Don't fall behind on any relevant insurance update. Information like this is what makes a difference in what you pay for coverage. Get the latest info on what's from our Insurance360 video series. Simply click on the subscribe button and enable notification to make sure you are kept in the loop. So now that you are done that, let's get to the big question. How do you choose the right auto insurance provider? Truthfully, a lot goes into this decision than you might think. However, we have broken everything down into easy bits you can quickly grab. Simply follow our guide to finding the right coverage for your vehicle. Tip number 1. Determine what type of coverage you need. Many vehicle owners rush into contacting insurer without first finding out what type of coverage they actually want. This can be a huge mistake as it leaves you entirely susceptible to any random recommendation the insurer you contact makes. Before reaching out to anyone, first, make sure you know the type of coverage out there, and you will pick one that suits you the best. This helps you better inform your decision on which insurer to go with. Tip number 2. Don't pick the first insurer you talk to. No matter how attractive their premium and coverage sound, do not go with the first auto insurer you run into. Take your time to research as many alternatives as you can before settling for the best one. As a side note, be sure you pick insurance based on more relevant criteria than how cheap they are. True, price is important, but there are several other variables you should consider too. Tip number 3. Go through your policy. This is stressful and time-consuming, we agree, but it's a must if you want to make sure you are choosing the best auto insurance provider for your vehicle. Insurance is what determines just how much you spend in the event of an accident. So, it's always advisable to precisely know what circumstances you are covered for and which you need to get ads on. It is also only going through these documents you can determine whether you are comfortable with the policy in its entirety. If you find a clause you are not okay with, it's easier to reach out to the insurer to discuss it before committing yourself. Tip number 4. Learn how filing insurance claim works. No one hopes to get involved in an accident for any sort. True, but it's always better to know how the process of filing a claim works with your chosen insurer, so you are better prepared should you ever need to. To find out more helpful tips on how to get right insurer and policy for you, make sure you will like this video. Subscribe to Fincrew official video channel and enable notification setting. Thanks for watching. See you next time.